starting with me.
Hey, this is Mark with GreenGro, coming today to talk to you about our family of products here. We have from left to right, depending on how you're looking at it. We got our GreenGro granular mycorrhizae product. We have our veg top dress formula. We have our ultra fine mycorrhizae and bacteria blend. We have our Earthshine soil rejuvenator. We have our bloom top dress, and we have our natural and organic flower hardener powder. So this is the main lineup of GreenGro products. The only thing that you guys are maybe seeing is missing right now is our soil, which I forgot to bring, so that's my bad. So this will be the lineup going into 2018. We have one secret product we're releasing in 2018, which we'll talk to you more about in our next video. So the family of products is meant to be used together. All the products have our core technology of mycorrhizae and biochar in it. And then our mycorrhizae granular is going to include our bacteria, mycorrhiza, humic acid, seaweed. Top dress is going to have the 18 top dress amendments that you guys have come to know and love from us, plus our biology. Ultra fine, you know, kind of like a very fine version of the granular. Earthshine, it's our biochar blend with saprocytic bacteria, mycelium, soy meal, worm castings, and it's for recycling and rejuvenating old soil and then boosting compost teas. And then we have our bloom, which is just a really nice traditional top dress bloom that you top dress once a week during the bloom season, and you can use it as a compost tea as well. And we have in our catalog, it's on our website, it's at greengro.com. We have a compost tea recipe for all these products and for additional products. And then our flower hardener is one of the first natural and organic flower hardening powders. It's a blend. It's 22 ingredients. It has all the different nutrition that you're going to need in the late stages of flowering. It has components to harden, resonate, and increase the bouquet and aroma of the flavor. So that's the GreenGro products for now. We're always expanding. We have some cool new products coming in 2018, and thanks for coming out today. Appreciate it.